How to change country and region in Sony Google TV. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you change country or region in Sony Google TV. First thing, you want to turn on your device and then you want to go to settings. So you have to go to settings with the help of your remote control. So once you are on the settings or when you click on the gear icon, then you'll be able to see this sort of page. On the next field, you simply want to scroll down a bit and then you could find accessibility. So you simply want to go ahead and click on that, and once you are on the next field, you simply want to scroll down and there you could go and find settings. Once again, you want to click that. As you've done it, so you want to go to system section and click on accessibility. Once you click on accessibility, then you could find the other page. You have to simply go ahead and scroll down a bit once again and click on region. As you click on region, there you could go ahead and make changes with the region that you want to change it to. Once you've done selecting, then you want to click on the save button in the bottom right corner of your screen, and you want to restart your device, and that's how you could go ahead and make sure to change your region. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you in the next video.